Thank you for selecting Larry H. Miller Chevrolet Murray, where we have hundreds of new, pre-owned, and certified vehicles to choose from. Check out this.
Imagine driving this black 2011 Audi A4 all-wheel drive, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and a Tiptronic transmission. Enjoy this great car with features like windows, rear defogger, windows, heated windshield washer jets, windows, humidity dew point sensors, windows, front wipers, variable intermittent, power windows, with safety rever SE, windows, front wipers, rain sensing, suspension, stabilizer bars, front and rear, exterior mirrors, heated, daytime running lights, sunroof, tilt slide, tail and brake lights, LED, rear seats, rear heat, vents, impact sensor, post-collision safety system, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2011 Audi A4. See us at Larry H. Miller Chevrolet of Murray today.
Please contact us today or visit our site at larryhmillerchevrolet.com. We look forward to seeing you soon.